Automatic correction use one-side wheel. The pre-folding lines must be accurate.
Yep.
And the larger the angle, the better. It is conducive to folding. The speed ratio of the paper receiving section must be matched with the main motor speed. The overall speed should not be too fast. Follow the speed of the rear paper receiving section. Uninterrupted uniform production can produce the greatest output. After the setup, more spot checks must be carried out, especially functional issues and appearance issues. High-speed production may have problems for half an hour. Rework cannot be completed within a month. After checking for no internal adhesion, no scratches, and no cover line opening, defect test and destructive test. Tearing off 85% or more of the paper fibers at the glue joint is considered qualified.